Hello everyone, today we are going to continue with our series on issues faced due to inadequate PLM support. This is part 3 of the video and today we will discuss server downtime delay. The Teamcenter server is down and not working since the previous day. A first morning user reaches office, unaware of the problem, looking to start early on work. The user encounters an error. She is unable to log into the system. After repeated efforts, user reports problem to support team. The support team does not respond immediately. Also, a process may be stuck midway. User loses a lot of valuable time until the problem is resolved. Project delivery is affected. Longer downtime along with multiple users results in a costly downtime. This is just not right. What if there is a better way? Support that is 1. Ensures immediate attention. 2. Is reliable and user-friendly. 3. Is proactive and smart. And 4. Is economic and reasonable. To know more, you can also download our e-paper from the mentioned link. You can also contact us on email or visit our website. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.